Kung may Chowking dish na gusto mong ibalik, ano yun? Hey friends, nabalitaan nyo na ba? Chowking's Braised Beef is back. Inggit na inggit ako sa dami ng posts sa feed ko about it, kaya yan ang request ko kay Lovie for the weekend. I think ito yung unang dish na natry ko sa Chowking, and naging go-to ko siya while I was working kasi it's fast food but still comforting and feels home-cooked. Apparently, never pa siya natry ni Lovie pero natakam na rin siya sa mga sinesend kong posts. It's chunks of beef with carrots and a savory and sweet Chinese-style sauce on top of rice. The beef was tender and yung may mga taba pang kasama, ang sarap. Tapos sauce niya is sweet and savory with Chinese flavors. Love the fact na balance yung overall flavor tapos medyo mellow lang siya para angat pa rin yung beefy taste. Ang sarap nito with rice, mapapakain ka talaga. Tapos humingi pa kami ng chili sauce. And ang sarap nung combination, lalo na for the spicy lover na si Lovie. Love ko talaga na from fast food siya pero it's giving comforting lutong bahay vibes. Nakakatuwa na nag-enjoy din talaga si Lovie dito. So